Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jay, back with another video. This time around, it's not any sneakers today, y'all. But right here, I got the Samsung wireless charger duo pad. This is supposed to be the Fast Charge 2.0. Supposed to be a little faster than the regular Fast Charge. I just want to do a quick unboxing of this. Let you guys check this out. The 2.0 Fast Charge is supposed to be, you can get the best results from the new F10e, F10 and F10 Plus. Charges up to 12 watts, apparently. Let's dive into this unboxing real quick. Let's check out the back. Samsung wireless charger duo pad. Fast and convenient wireless charge. Now what comes in the box: wireless charger, wall charger, quick start guide. Alright. It says this product consists of two charging areas. Left pad is the Fast Charge 2.0, and the right pad is just Fast Charge, right? Compatible with whatever Qi certified phones, all that good stuff, and you can charge your watch on the second pad. Not the 2.0, but the right pad. And let's pay, I think it's something on back here that I need to note. Oh, right there. When you charge two phones, besides the Galaxy Watch at the same time, you cannot use fast wireless charging 2.0. So if you got two compatible phones on here, you can only use the regular fast charge, not the fast charge 2.0. But I'm going to use it for my watch, my Galaxy Watch, and I'm going to use it for my F10 Plus. All right, y'all, let's get into this video real quick. It's unboxing. Let me get this box open real quick. Now, I got this just purely for convenience. Instead of having to plug up my watch right here, my phone right here, and, you know, cords fall behind the desk sometime and stuff like that. So this way, I can just slap it on there, make sure it's charging, using one plug for both devices, and I should be good. This regular charging pad don't work. Well, it works, but it's not as fast. So I wanted something fast, almost as fast as the wall charger, and something a little convenient. Okay, here's a presentation in the box. Here's the pad. Cooling fans on the back, around the side. Okay. Wall adapter. This should be USB 3.0 C, Type C. And it looks like it. Alright, wall adapter and the plug. Oh, this is a big brick too. Adaptive fast charging plug. Let's see what it says on the back. If I can get that to focus. 12 watts, 2.1 amp, 9 volts. Well, 12 volts, 9 volts, 5 volts. Okay. This look a lot bigger than the standard one. Let me see if I got a standard one laying around. Get a little quick comparison. This is the regular one that comes with the phone, right? No, this one is the regular one that comes with the phone. Adaptive fast charge. This one on the back is a little bit fatter. Okay? Feels like it too. Alright. What else in the box? Quick start guide. Probably not gonna read that. Alright, let's plug this thing up and see if it works, y'all. First, what this got on it? 12 volts with 2.1 amps, 9 volts. So it requires use of included 25 watt wall charge. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Requires use of included 25 watt wall charge. Wall charger design may differ in region. Okay. Right pad. Charge Qi compatible devices or Galaxy Watch, Gear S3 or Gear Sport. Left pad. Charger Qi compatible devices. Got a fast charge 2.0 on the bottom. Let's rip this off real quick. Yes, sir. Feels plastic. Got the little rubber pads on the bottom, non-slip. You can set it on your desk or whatever, and it won't move that easily. Kind of small. Way smaller than this old Samsung pad I got. Okay. All right, let me plug this thing up, man. Let's see if it works. Red, green, orange lights. Okay. That's cool. First of all, let me try the watch. Let me see if the watch works on this joint real quick. There we go. Red indicator light. Bam. Works like a charm. That light should stay on while it's charging. Once it's fully charged, it should turn green. Right? Just for giggles, let's see if it works on this side. When it's blinking like that, that means something is wrong. It's offset a little bit, or it's just not going to work. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is for the watch. Okay. Let me see if I offset it a little bit. See what happens. Thing got to be centered perfectly to charge. All right, y'all. Let's test this quick charge 2.0 on Galaxy S10. There we go, charging. What does that say? Fast charging wireless. Cool, you see that's charging. Alright, it says about 38 minutes until fully charged. Now for comparison, I want to plug this into the wall outlet charger to see how fast it will charge. What's the difference in time of charging from the plugging directly in and the fast wireless 2.0. Let's see. "38 minutes. So it pretty much charges as fast as the wired charger on the fast charge 2.0 on the Samsung wireless charger. That's what I'm talking about. That's cool right there. I don't know how they did it, but yeah. Alright, everybody, that's it for this video. I appreciate y'all for watching. I'll check y'all in the next one. Peace.